888. Beautiful new blessings are at hand. Energy is high and the inspiration is flowing. So ensure you are open to receive it. The divine wants to see you truly happy and will do everything possible to make that happen. Get ready, you are on fast track to receive major blessings. Type 888 if you are ready. Have faith and trust that all your needs will be provided for every step of the way. Follow your inner guidance and allow yourself to feel excited about the new opportunities coming your way. They bring so much joy and success into your life. God says it is time to see things differently. You did not have a bad day. You just had a bad hour. You did not fail in life. You just failed in one area of your life. There is so much more about you than the things you feel or accomplish. You are courageous. I love you. Type Amen if you believe in God and also subscribe